Thanks for joining me aboard Hawaiian Airlines Flight 268 from Honolulu to Kona. Owing to the late arrival of our Qantas flight from Sydney, the Hawaiian Airlines staff rebooked us onto a slightly later flight than our original connecting service. Hawaiian Airlines operates flights between Hawaii's 4 most populated islands using a fleet of 20 Boeing 717s. They also have a regional subsidiary, Ohana, operating to the less populated islands. Hawaiian operates up to 22 flights each day between Honolulu and Kona on the Big Island. Kona is the busier of the Big Island's 2 airports and is Hawaii's 3rd busiest airport after Honolulu and Maui. This 717 was just under 20 years old at the time of this flight. Seating in economy, referred to as the main cabin in the USA, is in a 3x2 configuration. There are 2 rows of first class seats at the front of the cabin, which we'd call business class in Australia. There are 128 seats in total. Emergency exit rows, which Hawaiian calls preferred seats, typically cost $10 extra per segment, but we were allocated them at no cost by check-in staff.
iPads and iPods, but during taxi, takeoff, and landing, you'll need to put away your laptops and items equivalent in size. There are 7 emergency exits on this aircraft, marked with red and white exit signs. There are 2 forward doors, one on the left and one on the right, 4 window exits, 2 on each side of the aircraft, and a rear door that leads to the tail cone exit. Please locate the 2 exits nearest you. Keep in mind, the nearest exit may be behind you. Emergency path lights near the floor will guide you to the emergency exits. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. If the cabin pressure changes in flight, an oxygen mask will appear from the mask compartment above your seat. When this happens, quickly reach for the mask and pull it firmly toward you. This will start the flow of oxygen. Please ensure the plastic bag is clear of the mask and place the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Secure it to your face with the elastic band, which you can tighten by pulling on the tabs located on either side of the mask. The plastic breather bag.
We are taxiing towards Runway 8 right, also known as the Reef Runway, which was the world's first major runway constructed entirely offshore. Completed in 1977, the Reef Runway was a designated alternate landing site for the space shuttle.
To remove the life vest from the container, pull up on the red tab. Remove the life vest from the plastic bag by pulling the plastic tab. Hold the life vest in front of you. Pull the vest over your head and wrap the strap around your waist. Attach the buckle and pull the loose end to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab in front or by blowing air into the tube at the top. Infant life vests are located in the overhead compartment. It is a federal offense to remove a life vest from the aircraft. For operation of the infant life vest, please see the safety briefing card or ask.
Although this vision is sped up, it is remarkable how quickly these aircraft zip around the taxiways. The takeoff, however, is shown in real time and demonstrates the 717's incredible acceleration ability. I'll let you enjoy the sound and views over Honolulu.
Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck on board flight 268. Thanks so much for joining us today. We're number 1 for departure. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff. Mahalo.
Although the total travel time is 50 minutes, you only spend 30 minutes of that in the air on this short flight from Honolulu to the Big Island, cruising at 21,000 feet. We passed the islands of Lanai and Kailua-Kona on the way to Kona. Much of the runway at Kona is built on a lava flow from 1801. You feel almost as if you're landing on another planet. This short hop between islands was a great welcome to Hawaii, giving you a sense of the beauty of the place.
Maybe you have a very strong juju.
Bye. Bye. Coming soon, something completely different. A trip around the island of Kauai in a helicopter without doors. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thank you, or as they say in Hawaii, mahalo.